Hey guys, this is Stormy74. I have some videos from yesterday's severe weather outbreak, and gosh dang it, stay up. My stupid iPad does not want to stay up. So I'm gonna record these in three different videos, so you'll see them. Here's the first one.
4 miles west of Roseland, or 4 miles northwest of South Bend, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Georgetown and Roseland, Niles, Granger, Edwardsburg, Cassopolis. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Indian Village, Bertrand, Barron Lake, Somerville, Okegan, Eagle Lake, Daly, Adamsville, Juneau Lake, Diamond Lake, Calvin Center, and Shavehead Lake. This is a dangerous severe thunderstorm. If you are in the path, prepare immediately for damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, along with deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. To report severe weather, post your information on the National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the hashtag @NorthwestSouthWest. Reports can also be made to the National Public Observation Reporting Hotline toll-free at 877-633